Hello out there. I'm going to talk about looking for a job. I've signed up on Indeed, this other the glass door, and I get these alerts all the time in my mail. I used to get the ones for Employ Florida, but I'll tell you the Glassdoor and Indeed seems to be the popular ones now. So you're looking for a job, looking through here. I kind of narrowed down my stuff. Look, this one just says CNC machine is hiring now, right? See all. Sorry, so I go in here, sign in yet. Oh, here's one here. Shark Coast Tactical. They're very close to the school. Machinist, and they got a yearly thing, 45 to 50K. Says right on the side here, hot CNC machines, climate controlled, meaning air conditioned, competitive pay, looking for skilled CNC, can do machine setup, running first articles, making and process adjustments, read blueprints, prepare stock for machining, setup, and some other notes here. ED&T knowledge, skill lift, CNC field technician, that's the repair guy, another one. Machine operator setup in Punta Gorda. Another one here, Venice Precision, we know them. That's a lathe setup operator. Mike Tron, Swiss lathe machinist. Weber, Nokomis, CNC lathe operator. Diverse Tool, I always see this ad. I've never got in contact with them. They're always looking for somebody. MKM, we know. Senior CNC programmer. So they're looking for somebody with some experience. It is 5 years experience. But I would apply there because they may need diverse tool again. Here's one MKM setup operator, so that's go to like the getting out of school type job. 22 to 35. General Propeller CNC lathe. D&B machine operator second shift 2:30 to 1 in the PGT CNC operator make their windows and doors. Vision Air Fort Myers. Sun Hydraulics. Cornerstone. I'm not sure what the stone. Honeycomb, I've been there. That's CNC programmer. Set the line. Lathe machining center is a mill. Sun Hydraulics second shift CNC grinder operator. MDC CNC machinist. JLM. I know a lot of these people. Ergotronics. Let's go to the second page here. There are so many jobs available. I get the. Well, anyway, you get the idea. I'm going to try to set up people with jobs, but you want to gotta get prepared to do a job. So I put in assignment in some people's stuff here. Uh, Job resume. Please watch video. Let's gotta go to screen. Build a resume. The NIMS resume generator is a very good resume builder. Save as a PDF file. Submit with me for review. Only make a one-page resume. See sample. Got resume generator tool. Employ Florida. Indeed. Yeah, I should have put Glassdoor in. My NIMS resume setup video. Resume right here. Here is my resume from a while ago. I got my name on the top, address, my cell phone number, my email, not a crazy email. What I'm looking for, objective. I always change the objective to match exactly what they're looking for. Functional survey, qualify with over 25 years of CNC and machining experience and employment. Uh, Even though you're coming out of school, I would put employment in here because that's like job history. Are you able to keep a job, right? If I was out of school, I would put the education part on the top in the employment needs because education is what you're looking at. So this is a kind of a history. I got Lockheed Martin, Roaring Toys, Manatee Tech I was at for a little while, ARS Cycles, my own company, BAE Systems, which actually used to be a Lockheed plant in New Hampshire, and a Rockwell Automation plant. Education, my high school, this machine shop school I went to, and some other schools like Haas CNC Training School and some CAD Camp. And I've added this list on here. I don't think it's that important. This is called a cover letter. Kind of gear this up for specific things. But this is in here as a sample. I got some pictures of parts here. So I've been doing that lately. The one-page resume. Watch the video here. Right here. All right. How to do the resume generator in NIMS. This is actually pretty good. It'll add any of your NIMS certifications, but plus you can add other stuff. It's a really good first step to make a quick generator. So it's right here. You go to your NIMS account, there's right, and enter in your login. So let me enter in mine, right here. I got a bunch of resumes here. STC sample. Click on this. All right. I got Pokey Darty, my ace student here. Got name, address, professional summary. I'm looking to become a valuable and experienced CNC operator for a good company. Experience, like machinist intern, forklift driver. Education, here, school. Credentials. So I had these credentials I earned in class. I put them here. Other professional skills. Let's see, awards, third place in Skills USA competition, and military, I didn't have any. So once I did that, let's see, what next? Let's see, how personal summary. Oh, preview page. All right, that looks pretty good. Download as PDF. There you go. You can print it out right from there. That is a pretty easy resume. Don't have a goofy name. That's about it. There are a ton of jobs out there. I can't even begin to, but I'd like to get you guys set up with a couple of job shadow experiences. But if you find something in the meantime, you are more than welcome to go start applying for jobs and start getting some job interviews. We can also do mock job interviews, which is like doing a practice run job interview at the Career Source office, which is on campus. Um, so anyway, that's about it as far as getting a resume, one-page resume, learning how to dress for the job, which means dress like you were going out to eat with your grandparents. So not going to be like shorts and sloppy shoes and stuff like that. Wear like you probably could wear if you had the STC shirt would be acceptable with your long pants and your work clothes, but like a polo shirt, not a t-shirt, and nice clean pants and nice shoes. That's about it. Maybe bring some safety glasses, but usually if they're gonna run you around the shop, they'll have some safety glasses. Okay, that's about it for me, and good luck in your job hunt. CNC Dude signing off.